Hey guys, it's me, Foreverkins, and today I'm going to be winning a prize from the Jumbleberry Fields for the Jumbleberry Dam, because I have 97 and I got 3 berries today. So first I'm going to do my sugar berry, then the pickleberry. Just in case you can't see it, I have 1 moonberry that I put in there the other day. And here we go. Hold on, where's my mouse? Okay. 1, 2, here it is, 3. And there it is, and it says click here to claim your prize. So I'm going to click. I made Jumbleberry Jam. Special prize has been added to my dock. The bale of hay. Okay. I got, where is it? Where is it? That's probably all the way at the end. Okay. There's the prize I got, and I'm going to show you it in my room. Oh, sorry, I have to X out of this. Sorry I sound all weird. I'm really tired. I just woke up. I'm going to go to my room so I can just show you what it looks like. Come on. Come on. Load. Jeez Louise. There we are. We are outside. I wonder, this probably does go outside, so let's see. Oh, and there it is. That's so cool. So yeah, so that was the bale of hay. I'm just gonna go over to show you. Oh yeah, so you don't do anything, just yeah. So yeah, so thanks for watching my prize in Jumbleberry Fields. And I have a letter, so I have to open that. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye.